Panchito. Panchito, you're doing the splits, Pancho? You're doing the... Yeah, Papa. He's answering to the corellas, guys. Yeah. This is what all the children like to do. They like to go like that to Petunia. And she likes to show you her feathers, her plumage. Beautiful princess. Gonna say anything to look at them. Say anything to all your fans? Gonna tell them that once you reach 1,000 subscribers, you're gonna take live calls. Petunia loves phone calls, guys. She recognizes voices. Isn't it, Mama? Isn't it, Mama? Isn't it true, Mama? Isn't it true, sweetheart? Isn't it true, sweetheart? You wanna say anything to all your fans, Mama, of your channel? You have many fans, Mama, from all over the world. You have fans in Japan, Germany, Alaska, Arizona, places in the USA, Australia. You have many fans, Mama. And you have a lot of local fans, you know, here in Logan and Brisbane. Petunia lives in Underwood Park, guys, in the suburb of Logan, in Queensland, Australia. And that's where she starts her journey all the way down to different suburbs in Logan, especially Daisy Hill. That's where she comes very early in the morning to Daisy Hill. And from Daisy Hill, she visits, you know, people around, you know, local IGA, all around John Paul College. Then she moves down to whatever suburb she likes. She ends up in Brisbane sometimes. So she's well known all over the place, guys. Because you're a people lover and you love people and you love children. Mama, you're an angel. She's gotta be an angel, guys. Come on. She's too sweet. She visits everybody. She visits people in nursing homes. She's gotta be an angel in disguise. Oh, look at the corella. Look at that corella, how she looks there. Look at that corella over there.